Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you curious to know how to really attract younger women as an older man? Well, today, we're going to break down charismatic tricks that enhance your appeal. We'll explore how style, fitness, and your lifestyle choices can significantly boost your attractiveness. Make sure you stick around for our bonus tip at the end of the video to gain some advice that can elevate your charisma to new heights, making you irresistible to younger women. Don't miss it. Before we jump in, why not give your love life a boost? Check the link in the description or pinned comment to book a free 60-minute strategy call with our dating coaches. Ready to revamp your charisma? Let's get started. 1. Dress your age with style. This is not just about choosing clothes that fit well. It's about selecting pieces that reflect your maturity and enhance your appeal. Opt for a classic, well-tailored shirt paired with crisp trousers. This combination isn't just a safe bet, it's a statement. It tells the world, and especially younger women, that you're a man who knows what works for him. A man who can balance comfort with class. A smart blazer can add an extra layer of sophistication, and choosing the right shoes, like a good pair of leather loafers, can tie the entire look together. These choices don't scream for attention. Instead, they subtly command respect and admiration. This approach to dressing not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you stand out as someone youthful enough to be fun, yet mature enough to be taken seriously. Remember, the key here is in the details. Ensure that each item of clothing fits perfectly, as this demonstrates that you value yourself and how you present to the world. The right fit enhances your posture and the way you carry yourself, making you more attractive. It's these nuances that younger women notice. A man who looks good not just because of what he wears, but because of how he wears it. So, refresh your wardrobe with these essentials and let your attire speak volumes about your sophistication and timeless charm. It's not just about age, it's about the attitude you project to those around you. 2. Maintain physical fitness. Maintaining physical fitness isn't about chasing the perfect body. It's about staying active and keeping your energy levels high. Consistent exercise is your secret weapon. It boosts your metabolism, sharpens your mind, and yes, it enhances your appeal. You don't need to hit the gym like a bodybuilder. Instead, focus on routines that increase your stamina and keep your muscles toned. Think swimming, cycling, or even brisk walking. Activities like these keep your heart healthy and your body agile, without the strain on your joints. And here's the kicker. Staying active radiates vitality. Younger women are drawn to energy and the ability to live life to the fullest. They're not just looking at your physique, they're sensing your vigor. Each step you take towards improving your fitness is a step towards becoming more charismatic. This commitment to fitness also reflects discipline and self-respect, qualities that are inherently attractive. When you take care of your body, it shows that you value yourself and are likely to take good care of those around you too. Plus, regular exercise is known to improve mood and reduce stress, making you more pleasant and approachable. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Whether it's a morning walk or a session at the gym, make exercise a regular part of your routine. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also look better. It's about showing up as the best version of yourself, every day. 3. Cultivate maturity and wisdom. This quality is highly appealing to younger women, who often look for a sense of stability and depth in relationships. Here's how to do it effectively. Firstly, share your experiences and insights. You have years of life behind you, filled with lessons and stories. Share these without coming across as condescending. It's not about lecturing, it's about opening a window into your world. Secondly, be a good listener. This doesn't mean just nodding along, it means truly engaging with what she has to say. Ask thoughtful questions that show you value her opinions and perspectives. This level of respect and attentiveness communicates maturity far more than words ever could. Also, be sure to discuss topics that both of you find interesting. This could be anything from books to travel to philosophy. It shows you see her as an intellectual equal and fosters a deeper connection. Finally, remember that maturity also means being calm and composed in dealing with life's ups and downs. Demonstrate that you can handle challenges with grace and not sweat the small stuff. This provides a sense of security and is incredibly attractive. By combining these approaches, you not only display the richness of your experiences, but also respect and appreciate the youthful perspective she brings. It's a balance that can lead to meaningful, dynamic interactions that genuinely resonate with younger women. 4. Be adventurous and fun. Keeping a sense of adventure alive is crucial, especially when it comes to attracting younger women who often seek excitement and new experiences. Being adventurous isn't just about big gestures. It's about infusing your everyday interactions with an element of surprise and spontaneity. Start by suggesting activities that are a bit out of the ordinary. Instead of the usual dinner date, why not try a cooking class together? Or if you're feeling bold, something thrilling like ziplining or an escape room. These activities aren't just fun. They also create memorable experiences that you both share. Spontaneity is another key ingredient. It could be as simple as a surprise weekend getaway or an impromptu dance in the living room. It's about making the ordinary moments extraordinary. This shows that you are not just stuck in your ways but are open to creating and enjoying new and unexpected moments. Also, be open to her suggestions for adventures. This not only helps keep things fresh, but also shows that you value her interests and desires. It's a great way to demonstrate that you're engaged and invested in the relationship and willing to step outside your comfort zone. Being adventurous and fun communicates vitality and youthfulness, traits that are attractive to younger women. It tells her that life with you is about continuous learning and enjoyment, crucial for a vibrant, dynamic relationship. So, lace up your boots, keep your mind open, and let the adventures begin. If these dating tips are helping you, imagine what a personalized strategy session could do. Click the like button, drop us a comment, and don't forget to book your free strategy call to discover how to meet more women and date with assurance. The link is in the pinned comment. 5. Focus on your financial and career stability. Financial and career stability are compelling traits, especially when attracting younger women who might be looking for security and ambition in a partner. It's not just about flaunting wealth or success. It's about showing that you're reliable and have made sound life choices. This level of stability is reassuring and can make you a more attractive partner. However, while it's beneficial to have financial and career achievements, they should enhance your interactions, not dominate them. Let your stability be understood rather than overstated. For instance, discussing your career can be about the passion you have for your work or the interesting things your job allows you to do, rather than just your job title or income. This subtly conveys success without seeming boastful. Additionally, let your lifestyle reflect your achievements. Whether it's the confidence with which you handle a crisis, the way you plan a date, or even choosing a fine dining experience, let these actions speak for your ability to provide and make thoughtful decisions. Moreover, showing ambition through ongoing projects or future goals can be very appealing. It tells a younger woman that you're not resting on your laurels, but are actively creating a vibrant life. This dynamic aspect of ambition can be very attractive as it shows you're not just secure, but also forward-thinking. Thus, let your financial and career stability be a backdrop that adds depth to who you are. It's about balancing success with substance, allowing you to naturally attract someone who appreciates both. 6. Good manners never age. Good manners are a timeless quality that significantly enhance your attractiveness, no matter the age of the person you're trying to impress. Simple acts of chivalry, like holding doors open, offering a seat, or helping with a coat, are more than just polite gestures. They're expressions of respect and consideration that never go out of style. These acts of kindness set the tone for how you value the person you're with, demonstrating that you're thoughtful and caring. But good manners extend beyond chivalry. They also encompass the art of good conversation. This means actively listening, engaging in meaningful dialogue, and showing genuine interest in what she has to say. It's about exchanging ideas on a level playing field, treating her as an intellectual equal, and respecting her viewpoints. Furthermore, being polite in your interactions with others, not just the woman you're interested in, shows a consistent character trait that is highly appealing. It shows that you're not just putting on an act for her, but that you live by a code of respect and decency that influences all your interactions. These behaviors show younger women that you're a gentleman who values not only their company, but also values them as individuals. This can be incredibly appealing in a world where such niceties can sometimes seem old-fashioned or forgotten. Embrace your good manners as part of your charm. They're a powerful tool in your arsenal when it comes to attracting someone who appreciates a mature, respectful partner. Here's your bonus tip: learning to bridge the cultural gap. This is about showing genuine interest in her world. It's crucial to connect on a level that resonates with her age group and interests. Start by exploring new music genres that she enjoys. This isn't just about listening to the songs, but also about understanding why she likes them. What is it about the beat, the lyrics, or the culture around the music that captivates her? Discuss these aspects with her. It shows you're genuinely interested in her tastes. Another way to bridge the gap is by visiting trendy spots together. Whether it's a popular new cafe, a museum exhibit, or a virtual reality arcade, these experiences allow you to step into her world and see things from her perspective. It's about sharing experiences that are relevant to her social milieu. Engaging with her social media content can also provide insights into her cultural preferences. Comment on or discuss the things she posts about. This not only shows that you're attentive, but but also that you appreciate her interests. By taking these steps, you're not just learning about her, you're showing that you value her uniqueness and are open to experiencing life from a new, perhaps younger perspective. This doesn't mean changing who you are, but it does mean expanding your horizons. Such efforts can deepen your connection, making your interactions richer and more meaningful. So now you know charismatic tricks for attracting younger women. What's next for you? Discover weird things younger women do when trying to attract you, or learn how older men can drive younger women crazy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.